Mac Blue from Germany.
Assimalhakeem wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
I have a question. I am a nurse from Germany, and because I can't wear proper hijab in a hospital, I watch a very sick 5-year-old boy at home.
You do
He's
what?
also
You cannot wear the hijab in your hospitals. What do you do?
I watch a sick boy at home. He's 5-year-old.
Okay.
And he's also like mentally retarded. My question is, he has music he's used to listen to sleep and watches always the same cartoon to eat. And I'm most of the time alone with him. And
he's 5 years old?
Yeah, he's 5 years old.
Okay.
And I'm alone with him most of the time, so I have to turn on his sleep music and the cartoons he's watching to sleep, to eat. Am I sinful for that?
You are sinful because you're not supposed to assist in such haram. But if there is no other alternative, and this is what makes it and breaks it for you as a job, if you cannot ask the parents to come and do it for you, you try your level best not to do it. Put ear sets so that you can listen to Quran or not listen to such haram. Try to look for alternatives, for nasheeds, for whatever, entertain such a child to the best of your ability. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best, and may Allah make things easy for you and grant you halal rizq.